Yo, what is up, guys? This is part 5. Just to let you know, I'm doing them all in a row. So, yeah. Okay, click. Yes, I would like to press the yellow button. I'm really sorry for the lag. Comment down below if you don't even care about lagging, just watch my content because it's fun. Because I'm really sorry, my G's, my guys. Okay, pink, let's switch up. Yeah, it's pink. Yeah, it was. What now? I actually do mean what now? I'm sorry, guys. Do I just jump down because I can't get back from where I was? So, yeah. I'm really sorry for the lag, guys. I can't stop apologizing, bro. Okay. But I'm busy, man. Huh. Pink button. Wait, no way. That's where the pink button goes. That's what it does for that matter. Okay, but if it's not the cockatoos or the cockatoo, I don't care. Oh, I'm just joking. Fawn sprout. I actually like this one. Please do not kill. I could have used others. It kills I. No, it doesn't. Let's go. Okay, guys. No. Bag. Okay, just use basic capsule. See where this goes. 1, 2, 3. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay. Now the pink one. Let's see. Oh, my jeez, what the fuck? What is this? Yo, boys. Hey, can I ask you something? We've been traveling together for quite some time now. I'm gonna go and on it. And we still haven't battled each other. I know I stand no chance against you considering I struggled with cats. But I refuse to be in my shadow forever. You're gonna find me. Fight me, boy. Fight me, boy. Fight me. Okay. TJ, the man. Let's see what you got. Dang. They put me in full health, though. Just like a boss battle, like a final battle. Airstrike. Wait, what? Okay, air that feet down. Boom. Wait, what? Bruh. My guy's actually kicking my ass. Well, no, I won't say that. Okay, boys, I'm gonna continue with this battle.